Nigeria stresses the hell out of you. Nigeria stresses life out of you. It takes everything from you, leaves you, and leaves you empty. Nigeria is that mother. It is jealous of her children's progress. Who is Nigeria? We are Nigeria. You and I. We are the mother that envies the growth of her children. We're the husbands, the brothers, the sisters, the in-laws, the relatives, the friends, the foes, the neighbors, the members of the same church, the same mosque, the same religion, the same political class, the same geopolitical zone, the same geopolitical expression. We are those that constitute what makes for Nigeria, what makes for the reason why she envies the growth of her children. We are Nigerians. We determine what becomes of our mother. We determine what becomes of Nigeria. And we, at a point, because our rise will compass Nigeria followed you. We serve our father's land with love and faith, with all our might, with all our sinew, with all our strength, with all our ligaments. And then it became as it was before. Nigeria, we heard you. Our own. Our mother's land. I detest the word native. I don't like it for any reason. I don't respect that. I'm not native. Might have meant a different word in times past, but not in the present situation. Not now, not tomorrow. All that has become Nigeria, all that is Nigeria, all that will be Nigeria, all that has been Nigeria, it's been as a result of the people around, the friends, the colleagues, the enemies, the oppressors, the oppressed, the educated, the uneducated bankers, the lawyers, the engineers, the nurses, the priests, the imams, the Izimo, the DBS, and all those in between. With their roles and their responsibilities, with the choices they made and the roles they played and the part they took in shaping what has become Nigeria. All their roles played a role, all their roles led us here. To get out of where we've been brought by us, by ourselves, we must take ourselves out. We are people strong, made weak, not by external force, made weak by our desires, made weak by the occasions of our sins, made weak by the occasions of our greed, envy, small-mindedness, lack of intelligence to know that the next man is as close as my own brother. Because I don't get the logic. Why is it that the neighbor who is far is a neighbor and the tenant who is close is just a tenant? How do we defy the odds of definitions and semantics and how words are meant to mean? My brother is the one far off over there. My sister is the one who lives in Akure, the one who lives in Oshogo, the one who lives in Shagamu. And my brother and my sister, ordinarily, were supposed to be my brothers and sisters, but disowned and denied by tribal sentiments, is the next man from Damatu, the woman from Kedi, the man from Ikom, the boy whose mother is from Oguja. These people are not my brothers and sisters. We might live close. There's nothing beyond this. The lies we tell ourselves, the lies we tell ourselves, the lies we live by. As Kwame Appiah will say, the lies that bind. These lies bind us, and we hug them so tight. Hugs of lovers, hugs held so tight, like farewell hugs at airports and bus stations and metros and subways and all those in between. We must do better. We can do better. We should do better. For Nigeria, it's not going to get better until you and I decide from the depth of our hearts about the need to take a new course, a course that will force us and put us on the right course, a course we deviated long time ago, a course that we must force back and forge into being. Else, we labor here in vain. The looting will continue, the hate will continue, the anger will continue, the sorrows will continue, the killings will continue, the kidnappings will continue, the sadness, the anger, the sorrow, the animosity we see on the streets, and the near bestiality we see in and about us, and the high level of ignorance will be vomited from our own mouth, and we swallow it back again. If we don't see ourselves as brothers and sisters, deserving of cooperation and care and love and kindness and peace and joy and all those things in between, our lives will be a disaster.